Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the 1-cent wheat penny from the year 1919. This coin is also known as the Lincoln Wheat Cent. It is one of the most famous and collected coins in American history. The year 1919 places this coin just after the First World War. America was entering a new period of growth and change. Coins from this time carry strong historical importance. On the front of the coin you will see the portrait of Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln was one of the most respected presidents in United States history. His image represents unity, leadership, and freedom. The word liberty is written on the front side. Along with the year 1919, you will also find the phrase "In God We Trust." On the back side of the coin you will see two wheat ears. This is why it is called the wheat penny. The wheat design symbolizes agriculture, prosperity, and hard work. During the early 1900s, agriculture played a major role in American life. Farming communities were the backbone of the nation. The wheat design honors that important part of history. Collectors around the world admire the 1919 wheat penny, not because of its face value, but because of its age, design, and story. The value of this coin depends heavily on condition. If the details of Lincoln face and the wheat ears are sharp and clear, the coin becomes more desirable. Coins that are heavily worn, scratched, or damaged usually have lower value. That is why careful handling is very important. Never clean an old wheat penny aggressively. Cleaning can damage the original surface and reduce collector interest. Some 1919 wheat pennies were made in different mints. Mint marks can sometimes increase collector demand. This adds another level of interest for serious collectors. The 1919 wheat penny is over 100 years old. Holding this coin connects you to the past. It is a small piece of history that survived many generations. Many beginners start their coin collecting journey with wheat pennies. They are affordable, easy to recognize, and full of history. Experienced collectors also enjoy completing sets from different years. Coin collecting teaches patience, research, and appreciation. Each coin carries a story from its time. Even a small 1-cent coin can represent a powerful history. If you own a 1919 wheat penny, store it in a dry and safe place. Use coin holders or albums to protect it from moisture and damage. Proper storage helps preserve the coin for future generations. A well-preserved wheat penny can remain beautiful for many years. If you enjoy learning about old and rare coins, this channel is made for you. Here we explore valuable coins and collecting tips. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you have a 1919 wheat penny in your collection? Thank you for watching.